Something new happened at Torq King today. And our first customer stopped by for a build breakdown of sorts. I think I heard him just pull in. Nice truck, man. I'm Joel.
Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
You want to pull this thing into the shade and we'll get some shots of it?
Derek Metter. I live here in Billings, Montana. 73 Ford, Highboy. Took it apart, took it clear down to the frame. 96 running gear underneath it with a Dana 60 front end, Sterling 10 1/4 rear. 12 valve Cummins, NV 4500 transmission, NP 205 transfer case, married up. And yeah, just kind of a frame up build. Heated leather seats, retro sound radio, Dakota Digital dashes, or Dakota Digital dash in it. Pretty much so.
It's a sweet rig. Definitely, they got a lot of time into this one, I bet.
Yeah, it took me about 3 years. I work on the road a lot, so it took me about 3 years to build it, get it running. Then it does have bigger injectors, bigger turbo in it. It's about 450 horsepower. And
what size turbo do you have in it?
62, 6814 Borg Warner SXE turbo.
Nice, that's a nice size turbo for this type of truck.
With 5x13 injectors and AFC live on the injection pump, so you can control the fuel rates from in the cab.
So how'd you hear about us over here at Torq King?
Honestly, just a bunch of Google searches while I was looking for parts for this, specifically for the NV 4500 and the 205 transfer case. I'd rather, even if it's a salvaged or reconditioned American part, I'd rather buy that than a Chinese knockoff part that's going to break in a few miles. So Torq King seemed to be a great source as far as bearing kits for the 205 and just being able to get all the little parts you need, all the little stuff that the parts stores don't carry anymore.
Awesome, we're happy to hear it. That is one sweet truck. Thank you so much, Derek, for bringing it by.
Absolutely, thank you.
This is your shameless plug time. You got Instagram, YouTube, anything you want to shout out?
Don't really have any of my own stuff to throw out there, but I would like to give Hall's Diesel Performance in Loma, Colorado, and Ryan's Diesel Repair in Grand Junction, Colorado. They helped me immensely on this project, kind of the whole way through, from engine building, transmission building. So anyways, thanks to you guys. That's pretty much all I got.
Awesome. Thank you so much for bringing it by.
Thank you, guys.
thank you guys for tuning into this one. Be sure to catch us in the next one. And if you would be interested in showing up your truck here at Torq King, be sure to email me. It's marketing@TorqueKing.com, or you can send us a DM, and stay tuned for whatever else we got coming up.